Now, starting off three-phase synchronous motor. Today I have discussed starting off three-phase synchronous motor. Okay. Now step by step. First of all, make that is stator like this one. Okay. For simplicity, and once again, if three-phase supply on stator, that is A, that is B, and that is C corresponding to this one. Now, if three-phase supply VF this equal to 50 Hz, for simplicity, take number of poles is 2. Okay, I know that if three-phase supply on stator, then stator field with respect to stator winding, that is NS 120 F by P. Okay, here stator means in synchronous machine armature winding provide on stator and field winding on rotor. Why? I have already discussed. Why armature winding in synchronous motor or in synchronous machine we have provide armature winding on stator and field winding on rotor. Okay, so in previous lecture. Now, if three-phase balance supply corresponding to here, three-phase balance supply on three-phase balance winding like this one, three-phase balance supply corresponding, suppose that positive sequence or phase sequence corresponding to ABC, then stator field with respect to stator winding, or you can say that this one also called armature winding. Okay, in synchronous machine, so armature field with respect to armature winding, that is NS. Okay, so you can say that speed of armature field with respect to armature winding, that is NS 120 F by P. F is 50 Hz and number of poles, for simplicity we have 2, that is 3000 RPM. Clear? Now, that is NA, this is equal to NS. Poles like this one, and that is NS. Clear? Why if three positive sequence on stator, positive sequence current on stator, or you can say that ABC, then stator field with respect to stator winding rotating in clockwise, I have already discussed in induction machine. Okay, rotation of induction machine I have already discussed, why rotate corresponding with proof. Okay, so if any doubt, then see fundamental of magnetic field, rotating magnetic field concept in induction machine. Okay, now here, clear? This one is NS, means suppose that is a rotating magnetic field like this one and rotate corresponding to this one, which is speed 3000 RPM. Clear? Now another way, this one is a rotor, this one is a rotor. For simplicity, rotor winding like this one, field excitation, if field excitation provide on rotor, then this one is an SF and that is an F. Suppose that number of poles corresponding to here south pole and here north pole. If any doubt why you have not taken north pole and this one is taken south pole. Okay, I have discussed this question also, why if this one is N and this one is, if this is NF and that is SF, then what happened? After some time we another got that is SF and that is NF in question. This doubt I have discussed in question. Otherwise this topic is very long, okay, time taken topic. Now this one is SF and that is NF, clear? That is field corresponding to field excitation, pole created like this one and here like this one. Now this one north pole and that is south pole, this one attract and this one also attract, so torque is developed, okay. So you can say that attraction between opposite pole of stator as rotor, clear? Stator as rotor. Now after half revolution, you know that 3000 revolution, this is equal to 1 minute, means you can say that that is 60 seconds. So one revolution, this is equal to 60 divided by 3000, that is 20 millisecond, that is 20 millisecond. What about half revolution? That is 10 millisecond. Clear? After 10 millisecond, this one position are interchange, that is SA and that is NA. So make another diagram. Written as half revolution is equal to 10 millisecond. Now make this one is stator, supply corresponding to this one, and this one is a rotor. SF, that is NF. A, B, C. That is SA and that is NA. This one rotate NS and this one also, clear? Now after half revolution, position or interchange, rotor initially NR this equal to 0, NR this equal to 0. Now this one repel and this one also repel, this one also repel, so rotate corresponding to the here, torque is developed in the opposite direction of this one. In previous, this position got after 10 millisecond, after 10 millisecond, that is half revolution, that is half revolution, like this one. What about rotor speed? That is 0, or you can say that repulsion between similar poles, okay, of rotor and stator, okay. Now what about NR is 0. Why? Rotor is not rotating initially, Because of due to inertia. Due to inertia, if load is not connected in shaft, okay, but shaft have already mass, then it is not pick up higher speed corresponding to 3000 rpm in 10 millisecond. So you can say that written as, now torque develop in each half cycle, okay, after 10 millisecond corresponding to this one. Then after 10 millisecond we got this position, torque develop is reverse after each half cycle, due to its inertia. Rotor is unable to respond such a fast torque reversal. So rotor remain stationary. Okay, remain stationary. You can say that average starting torque that is 0. So you can say that synchronous motor is not self-starting. Synchronous motor is not self-starting. Clear? Torque reversal very fast, and so due to inertia, rotor not pick up suddenly 3000 speed. Due to inertia, it not responding fast reversal of the torque. That's why you can say that synchronous motor not self-starting, just like single phase induction motor. Single phase induction motor is not self-starting. So how to be our motor? Next one, first of all make it self-start. Okay, first of all make, after that we have discussed one by one. First of all we think, after that how can done it. Now if rotor, I know that ns this is equal to 3000 rpm. If nr closer to ns like 2940 rpm, if nr, if some external means nr rotate corresponding to this speed, then if rotor start corresponding to this speed, then what about SF? at that time. That is NF and that is SF. Okay, or you can say that here some distance, that is NF and that is SF. Clear? Some distance corresponding to here because of speed like this one. That time this one attract and this one also attract. Clear? Okay, if some external means NR closer to NS, NR closer to, if some external means we provide NR like this one is speed, then position after half revolution like this one. Okay, clear? After half revolution position like this one. After some time this one is catch up speed NS, and then both are lock, and that time switch of field excitation is on. Okay, first of all written as to make it self start, it is made to rotate at a speed NR closer to NS by some external means. Okay, after some time there will be locked, okay, locked between opposite poles of rotor as stator. NA lock SF and SA lock NF. Clear? So rotor continues also rotate at same speed NS in the same direction. Clear? If NR due to some external means, if NR closer to NS like this one, then after half revolution create this one like this one. Position, of course, distance between this one and this one are as compared to this one is large. Okay, after some time due to opposite pole after some time, that is lock. Okay, if this one is locked, then this both speed are same. If both speed are same, means both are rotating in the same direction, or you can say the rotor also rotating in the same direction of stator field, or you can say that armature field. Clear? Now, how to achieve this? Okay, first of all, make it our motor. Next one, how to achieve it? Now, stator like this one, clear? As far as starting, damper bar, or you can say the damper winding provided on rotor. Okay, that is A, B, and that is C. Okay, that is damper bar. Or damper winding. Clear? Now, you can say that for starting purpose, the damper bars, that is copper or aluminum bars, as a squirrel cage rotor. I have already discussed in induction machine. Okay, how to create this one? Are provided in the rotor. Clear? Now, if three-phase supply on stator, then stator magnetic field with respect to stator winding like this one. Okay, you know that a magnetic field like this one, and this one is a conductor. If conductor put on the magnetic field, okay, if both are rotating, if relative motion between magnetic field and conductor, then induce EMF, and if this conductor is closed, then induced current also generate. According to Lenz law, induced current always oppose the relative motion. Same position of induction motor. So rotor start rotating in the direction of stator field like NR. Okay, this one is closer to NS. After that, you can say that this one is like this one, NS, that is 3000 RPM, NR closer to like this one. After some time, this one catch up the synchronous speed, and this field winding is switch on. Okay, so make it and make right now. At the time of starting, due to the relative motion same as a induction motor, relative motion between damper bar and stator field and damper bars, there induced current, there are induced current in the damper bar, damper bar which oppose the relative motion relative motion according to Lenz law. According to Lenz law, so rotor also start rotating in the same direction at a speed nr closer to ns. That's why synchronous motor is started as induction motor. Clear? First of all, make it. Clear? Now, if this one is started corresponding to like induction motor, after that switch is on, okay, field excitation is on, then locking between this one and this one, okay, that is, this one is, suppose that is NA and that is SA, which is speed NS and that is also NS, so created corresponding to SF and that is NF, okay, locking between these two, sorry, SA and that is NS, okay, these two. So you can say that right now field excitation, switch on, excitation switched on, okay, and there is locking between opposite rotor as stator, and finally rotor run at synchronous speed as synchronous speed. Clear? Now when rotor rotates at synchronous speed ns, there is no relative motion, there is no relative motion between damper bar and stator field, or you can say that armature field, stator field, and hence no induced current in damper bar. So there is no role of damper bar at speed at ns. Clear? Now make it. It is clear what is happening. Now how to start three-phase induction motor? With the help of damper bar, main role is a damper bar. If damper bar corresponding to, sometime question asking corresponding which type damper bar, basically that is squirrel cage rotor. Okay, I have already discussed in induction motor, induction machine, what is the damper bar. Okay, damper bar provide on rotor. Now it is starting as a 3-phase induction motor. If 3-phase balance winding corresponding with this one, then induce current in damper bar, then it is rotate corresponding to closer to NR. If closer to NR, then switch is on corresponding to this switch is on, field winding switch is on, then pole created like this one, and this one locking corresponding to this one. After that, this one rotate, after some time this one rotate corresponding to rotor, rotate corresponding to NS. Okay, our motor clear. This one rotate corresponding to NS. After some time, you can say that rotor rotate synchronous speed NS, and there is no relative motion between damper bar and stator field. Why? Because of both rotate corresponding to this one is also NS and this is speed also NS. So no induced current in damper bar. Clear? So no induced current, so no opposition corresponding to this current. Okay, this current never oppose this is speed. Why? Because of no current are generated here. Why? Because the relative speed between both is 0. This one also rotate after locking. Damper bar also rotate corresponding to which is speed NS. So or you can say that damper bar role, or you can say that a question rise, damper bar basically provide starting torque. Okay, damper bar basically role is provide starting torque. After that there is no role. Okay, if rotor got speed NS, then damper bar as a no role, only it's provide starting torque. So make it clear how to start 3-phase induction motor.